What's up, everybody? Just doing a quick unboxing video. I should have, I guess, started from opening the box itself, but I got a Seibon carbon fiber hood for the Honda Civic. This company was supposed to wait, actually asked for a signature, and I was supposed to inspect it upon delivery, but they just delivered it. I got a message from them saying, hey, we delivered it, and they sent me a picture. So I don't know, man. Hopefully nothing's damaged, and if it is, hopefully they won't give me any grief if I do find any damaged parts. So I'm kind of surprised that the hood wasn't packed well. I mean, that's all you get right here, just a box and a little bit of styrofoam, and that's about it. So I'm not sure, man. I should open it up, but then again, let's see here. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to open this with two hands. I don't want to risk of damaging it, just cutting it or anything with a knife, or picking it up and accidentally dropping it while holding the camera. So I'll be back. Let me take a peek at it, and I'll be back. So I cut the tape that was the tape that was attached to the hood, to the box on the sides, and I'm just lifting it up. I don't see any cracks. I do see that this screw right here is not screwed in all the way. Oh, actually, I think this is just the cover, because I did get a vented hood. All right, well, let me start unwrapping this, and I guess we'll inspect it. All right, I unwrapped it, and it seems like it's in pretty good condition. Check the edges around here, no cracks, a couple fingerprints, so that's expected. I don't see anything that's damaged. Yeah, hood looks great. I can't wait to put it on. Like I said, my car's with Merc Racing right now, and they're doing a couple upgrades, upgrading the fuel system, changing out what else was it? The clutch master cylinder and the slave cylinder. I got the Moto from Pro Civic, and they're going to, what else they're going to do? And change the pulley, so I increased the boost. Hopefully, goal's trying to push around 15 to 17 pounds of boost, and get a retune, of course, after the install. But hood looks good. I don't see any cracks at all, so hood looks good, man. I can't wait to install it. I should have actually had it sent down there so they could probably install it down there, but actually I want to check one more thing. Okay, so I guess the hood latch is on the car, hooks up to here where the panels are. So all right, everything looks good, and I guess next time you guys see this hood, it should be on the car. All right, till next time.